Boys, last video of the day. 7 videos today. Boys, we got 7 videos out on the YouTubes today. TDR guns are lightweight and reload quickly. So, I think I'm gonna fight Skagzilla. I attempted to use Skagzilla in the last 2, but this time I think we're actually gonna get to him. Hopefully. Hey, Dad. My dad is here. Alright, just. But first, I gotta turn on the fast travel. Let's go. I'm not even in Firestone anymore. What are you talking about? I only want to hear about this place. Oh, it's right there. Flip. What the heck? Don't tell me. Siphids. I thought they were Siphids. I didn't know what Siphids were, and this is a new area anyway, so. Okay, let's go. So, oh my god, wait. Who's shooting at me? Bloop. Switch it out for not. This. Not like that, this one. This one! Not a rocket launcher! Oh my god. That was it. Oh my god. No, I didn't want to drop you. Well, it fixed it anyway. I don't want to die today. I don't want to die. I wanna be alive. I wanna be alive. I don't wanna die today. I don't wanna die. Oh! Go. Check out the song by Logic, I Don't Wanna Die Today, or I Just Wanna Die, whatever it's called. It's a freaking fantastic song. Check out the official video. Beat your ass. Yay! The entire fast travel system for the entire planet was out. Now it's back on. I highly doubt that over the entire planet it was gone. It wasn't there in Firestone except for the DLC areas, and it wasn't here. Ding experte. I'm not a novice anymore. Look at that. Because at first it was like ding novice, or like, hang on. Now I'm not gonna go to my freaking one more skill point and I can get the freaking trespasser skill. I heard that's a good skill, man. I watched this video on like the oh my god. Watching this video of this one guy. I don't remember his YouTube channel name, but it was like, how did Jack kill Roland in one shot? Wouldn't he respawn or something? Yada yada yada. And it was really interesting because he said like, because he said, wouldn't Roland have a shield? And then like, yeah, Roland would have a shield, right? That's because he had the ability to trespass his shield. Like, his gun had the trespasser skill, just like the trespasser that you get from uh, Mordecai after you complete animal rights. After you complete the mission, the story mission, wildlife exploitation preserve. The one where you have to say Bloodwing. If you guys have played the game before, then you know. And it's also the place where you can farm the loot midgets. If you want me to see, if you want me to make a playthrough for pre-sequel, like the pre-sequel game, because some people say it's trash. I really like it. I like some of the characters in it. So if you want to see a playthrough for that, leave a comment like down below, and I'll do it. But if you want to do it yourself, then just get the game. But I don't think it's trash. I think it's pretty good. Because you're in space, or you're in space anyway. You're on freaking Pandora, for God's sake. But you're on Pandora's moon, Elpis. And there's no gravity, so you need an Oz kit, and you can float around with it. It's really fun. So what's the reward for this mission? A sniper rifle, okay. I could use one. I mean, I already got an overpowered one, but... You're a scad bait grinder. Freaking... Hear this... I hear them say that to me, and I'm just like... Do you know me? Skagzilla up here. Ew. Oh, the skag bait is another skag. I just realized that. Because skags are cannibalistic, apparently. Wait, didn't this have 9 bullets before? Oh my god, I'm right in front of it. Oh, with sniper rifles only, okay. And that's pretty good. Did that do 0 damage? Like the, boink boink. Come on, let's do this. I'm not gonna kill him before this video is over. Fucking Jeffy. Boys. Yes, I got him. Right in his lip mouth. Right in his mouth flaps. What? Why? Who designed the skags? I want to know because it's so cool. Because when you're making a game and you base it like on an alien planet that's like not Earth, then you gotta create some like weird creatures. And the person who made the skags freaking knocked it out of the park with these guys. I really like the design. Even though this guy doesn't take fire damage, which is kind of bull. Ooh, I shot him in his mouth flaps. What the heck? I'm gonna go check that out afterwards. Nah, I'm gonna kill him in this one. Yeah, but I have to check that out. What is that? Okay, look. I'm gonna. I can talk to you guys, right? So when I was first playing Borderlands, right, and I had the DLC disc, like I have the triple pack, like Borderlands 1, the pre-sequel, and Borderlands 2, like in that order, then the DLCs right below them. And I thought I needed Xbox Live to download the DLCs, so I didn't touch them. But after I finished Borderlands 2 like 3 different times, first time was Zero, Axton, Salvador, and my most recent one, Maya, um, I tried the DLCs and I could get them. And I was astounded that I could. And I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. And yes, I played Axton. He was good the first 2 playthroughs. Well, he kind of sucked in the second one. But the third one, heck you know, bro. It's like Zero. I just gave up with Zero on the third playthrough. He dead. Yeah. Yeah. At 19K. Hey, look, rockets. How do I get out? Oh, this way, okay. We got like 3 minutes to spare, I think. Or 2 minutes, I don't know. We gonna turn it in, and I'm gonna go to sleep. Cause I'm fucking tired. Last video of the day, boys, and but scared me. My god. Oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! I went through that. What can I tell you to get through to you? Through to you. What do you need to hear so I can get through to you? Through to you. What do I need to say so that I can get through to you? Through to you. What do you need to hear so I can get through to you? Through to you. And you can't tell, I haven't seen your gun, but the elephant gun, I love this gun. I'm out. So the right text is, why don't you go shoot yourself an elephant? Look at it. I love this gun. So now we're gonna check out that weird mysterious light. So we killed Skagzilla, got a new sniper rifle, and a weird mysterious light is in the sky. Mm. 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 Oh, that's that.